Now, it's the third day of YSR Congress leader Jagan Mohan Reddy's indefinite strike in Hyderabad. He is not allowed to leave Hyderabad, remember, as it's a condition of his bail. But today, a delegation of the YSR Congress leaders will be meeting functionaries of different national parties in Delhi to drum up support for the cause of a united Andhra Pradesh. Well, let's go across to Uma Sudhir for more. Uma, crisis-like situation really emerging there in the Simandra region as well. Like, on one hand, you have the politics, this fast politics going on, but also the striking government employees and the power crisis.
Yes, Gargi, competitive politics is certainly on the fast track here in Andhra Pradesh. Chandrababu Naidu is leaving in a short while to go to Delhi, and he will be sitting on a hunger fast, in fact, in Delhi. Right now, he is at the NTR Ghat paying his respects to N.T. Ramarao, the party leader. But as you mentioned, yes, crisis-like situation is developing in Andhra Pradesh, mainly because of the power shutdown that's happening. Power employees have been on strike, and we understand that up to 3,500 megawatts of power may not be getting generated in the last 2 to 3 days, and that's the reason why even in Hyderabad we have been witnessing unscheduled power cuts, and in all the Simandra districts we are told there is almost a complete power shutdown, and ATMs are not functioning. We are having problems at the petrol bunks as well. Some 26 trains, in fact, including 25 passenger trains and 6 express trains. That makes it 31 trains, in fact, had to be cancelled yesterday. Even today we can expect some cancellations because no one is wanting to really play down this agitation at this point. They believe that this is really the last bit that they can do from the ground to put pressure on the central leadership. Jagan Mohan Reddy, of course, is continuing his third day of fast. He knows that his delegation going to Delhi is not going to really change anything. But what we can see is that he's trying to also reach out through his delegation members to other floor leaders, to other leaders of other political parties to try and influence them if and when the bill comes up in parliament. He's holding out this thing that if it can happen in Andhra Pradesh without taking the consent or the approval of the assembly, it can happen anywhere, and it would be for political reasons, and therefore every region perhaps in the country needs to stand up for this, that the assembly will have to first vote. So right now the chief minister certainly should be worried, because we do understand that the central government is actually monitoring very closely how the chief minister handles this crisis situation, because there has been a lot of criticism that he is being seen as somebody who has been promoting and who has been openly talking about keeping Andhra Pradesh united, even though his own party has made this decision and the government at the centre has made this decision to bifurcate Andhra Pradesh. But he has been still going around saying that there are huge issues still to be resolved. Until those issues can be resolved, things cannot really move forward, and that has been the tone and tenor of the chief minister. And therefore there has also been some criticism that perhaps it has a tacit backing of the chief minister, whether it is a government employee strike we are talking about or the electricity employee strike that we are talking about. Of course, he has issued appeals to the government employees saying that whatever the agitations you needed to do, you have done, you have made your point, you come back to duties, because the state cannot be paralyzed in this manner. But agitationists on the ground who have so far remained largely apolitical. We must understand that this is more than 2 months of agitations that we are seeing in the 13 Simandra districts, and the government employees have not been going to work, which really means administration in all those areas has virtually come to a standstill. But even among the people, there is a feeling that it is now or never, and therefore they are putting in all they can in order to make this agitation be seen and heard by Delhi. Gargi?